We've got another new book for you here today. It is the latest book in our Media Before 1800 series. It is Illuminating Media, Transmitting the Renaissance in England, 1400 to 1550 by Kathleen E. Kennedy. In this book, Kathleen Kennedy is looking at medieval English manuscript illumination from the 15th century, which is a topic that has been under-recognized and even sometimes maligned. Kathleen Kennedy opens with a quote from Janet Backhouse, who was a curator of manuscripts at the British Museum. She writes that manuscripts illuminated in England await serious study, preferably by someone prepared to enjoy rather than despise their splendid vulgarity. So one of the reasons why manuscript illumination is underappreciated is that it's historically considered an applied or a decorative art rather than a fine art. And Kennedy argues that because this art is utilitarian, it's functional, and it's aniconic, which means that it's not representative, but it's quasi-abstract using decorative motifs, that traditional art historical criteria are not necessarily the most appropriate for analyzing it. And what she suggests instead is that this kind of material should be looked at from a media theory and a design theory perspective. Part of Kennedy's argument in this book involves advocating for media studies as an appropriate frame for looking at medieval topics. And she has a nice quote here where she says, "Neither electricity nor the microchip is necessary for media, in other words, and the Middle Ages could be as replete with media as any other period." In the closing chapter of this book, Kathleen Kennedy looks at the reception history of medieval English manuscript illumination, and especially its interest for designers like Owen Jones, author of the design manual, A Grammar for Ornament. I think that this is a book for you, whether you're an art historian, a medievalist, a media studies scholar, a designer, or if you just like looking at really cool details in books, like this. This book is available wherever books are sold, including at your favorite local bookstore, and the open access edition will be available on our Manifold platform at press.library.concordia.ca. Thanks.